Have you ever tried to use your debit card at the grocery store or maybe the gas station and your card was declined, and then maybe you called the bank to find out what the situation was because you just got paid yesterday, and the bank lets you know that there was a lien or a levy placed against your bank account? I'm Charles Laputka, a Pennsylvania finance and real estate attorney focusing on consumer protection. Just this past week, I had two separate clients meet with me who had owed debts in the past and really thought that, as a result of years passing, that they were in the clear and were not going to have to repay these debts. These folks went to use their card, one at the gas station and the other at the grocery store, only to find out that their bank accounts had been frozen by a creditor. Now, a lot of people think that if a debt hasn't been collected in the last 4 years, that debt is beyond the statute of limitations. Now, that's true in the state of Pennsylvania for a creditor who has not sued you and previously obtained a judgment. In these cases, both of the people I met with this week had judgments against them from almost a decade ago. And what happens is those judgments remain in place in the state of Pennsylvania for up to 20 years. So if a creditor has sued you and 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 years have passed, you are not in the clear. Right now, what's going on in the collections world is the creditors are becoming more and more aggressive on collecting old debts because they haven't been able to in the past, and they're looking to recoup some of that money that they're owed. Once a creditor has frozen or levied on your bank account, there's really nothing that you can do to get that lien removed other than paying the debt or making some sort of payment arrangements that would allow the creditor to feel comfortable that they're going to be paid. Those payment arrangements will depend upon how much money is or is not in your bank account at the time that it gets frozen. There are some additional tips and tricks that you can use to try to help your situation if you find yourself with a frozen bank account or a levied bank account. One of the things that helps a lot of people with a bank account that is frozen or levied is a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy. A bankruptcy can help remove those liens on the bank account in most circumstances and get you access to your funds so that you can continue to live your life and pay your regular bills going forward. If you find yourself in this situation or think that it may happen to you in the near future, give us a call for a free case evaluation. And of course, if you've liked this video, please subscribe, hit those buttons to follow us so that you can get more information about personal finance from Charles Laputka at the Laputka Law Office.